everyone, this is Pretty from Foshan today. And now I'll show you something here. I'm now coming to the Dongheng furniture market. It is one of the biggest furniture market in China. And here you can buy anything you like. The bed, the outer furniture, the indoor furniture. You can buy everything you like. And they have many showing rooms. They have all their factories here. So if you come, you can get the inexpensive prices. And now I'll show you around there, okay? Just follow me, let's go.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours.
So this is Dongheng furniture market. It has all kinds of different furniture here. As you can see, they have different colors and styles, and you can even custom made it. So if you want to learn some more, please leave the message and come to buy us. This is Pretty from Foshan today. Foshan today, the ultimate guide to Foshan furniture market. So see you next time. Bye bye.